Oh, God, that's my neighbor knocking on my motherfucking door. My old lady just went to the store. My neighbor. Neighbor knocking, neighbor knocking. Fucking door, neighbor knocking. My old lady was at this one. I just went to the store. What the fuck? Come in. Can I buy the stuff? Last week you did about. Can I pay? Ow! Neighbor knocking. Every time. My old lady go to the old lady house, she wanna come over with nothing. Last way, I don't wanna give in, but sometimes I don't wanna give in. My neighbor knocking on the door. Go to the door. Neighbor knocking. Walk across the hall with that no. Me coming I got a surprise. I just seen your old lady that went to the store. How long she gonna be gone? She gonna be gone for a couple of hours. I need to put something on you. But they were knocking at my door with that no. They were knocking. My old lady went to the store. I was nothing wrong. Oh, they went to the store. Every time my old lady go to the store, y'all, we come over with nothing wrong. Y'all, I gotta hold my supposed to. I lay her down. Put that time to for my old lady. I do I be playing, but do I dance with faith? Do I dance with faith? My old lady go to the door. They were knocking on. Do I give it in, y'all? They were knocking. She came over one more time for the fifth time. Oh, she went and got in that motherfucking bed, y'all. Spread everything got out. Oh, lady knocked on the door. My old lady knocked on the door. I'm in here smoking her. I gave in every time. She wanna come over, she wants to buy something. I need to buy something that coochie, but I just let type to my old lady went to the store, y'all. I'm smoking her. I had to give in. I don't know how to explain this shit. Could it be what the fuck she doing in my house? Part two.